To add friends on Revolut 18 and send money, follow these steps. Requirements: age, you must be at least 13 years old. Account setup: ensure your Revolut 18 account is activated and approved by a parent or guardian. Visibility settings: make sure you've enabled visibility in your account settings. Adding friends: open the Revolut 18 app. Launch the app on your device. Access the Friends section. Tap on the Friends tab. Invite friends. Tap Invite a friend. Share your unique referral code with your friends. Once they sign up using your code and complete the onboarding process, you will both receive a reward. Sending money to friends: you can send money using username. Search for your friend's unique username. Phone number: use their registered phone number. QR code: scan their QR code. Near Me: use the Near Me feature to find friends nearby. Adding notes: personalize your transactions by adding notes or GIFs.